See, look at the picture right here. Now you're not.
Chicago has issued severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kansas County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Lake County in both 10 p.m. until 10 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Peterson or Hamilton, moving at 35 miles per hour. After 60 miles per hour was gusts and overtime field. Radar indicated impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of active include St. John, Cedar Lake, Willow, Mantino, Peatone, Creek, Lanee, Beecher, Grand Park, and Schneider, including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 321 and 333. This includes Will County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
TCI, Jacarius Johnson presents Set It Off live on stage.